everyone, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I have this really wonderful idea and I really hope you guys like it. So I bought this little frame in Amazon like a few months ago. I think actually it was like last summer. And it's a transparent kind of background. I wish this was glass, but it's not. But anyway, I've been using it as like, it has this depth and I've been using it because I like these little 3D flowers that I put, and it's been great. It's been great. I love it. But I wanted to, and it's just tape really. But I wanted to, I have a little bit of tape here. I wanted to paint on this and have like the painting just be like here, and I think it's gonna be a cute little project. So let's get started. All right, so here again is the frame, and the frame basically like comes out from this like little slot right here, and you put it back in. And it looks great. So this is the frame that I bought on Amazon. Then again, my little water with my stickers that they're super cute. And we are going to use golden acrylics to do this. I've never done this before, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it. And I thought something really simple and cute would be to do this tulip. So there is a video for this tulips on my YouTube. It's coming out on May 28th, I think, or something like that. So super simple, cute little tutorial on May 28th. And so let's just do, this is the basis of what I'm going to do. And that's what I have. So now as for brushes, I have all my brushes here, and I think we are going to use this little filbert one. And in reality, like all synthetic brushes are good for acrylic as well as watercolor. So I'm looking for, actually, let me see. Oh, I was looking for this one. So this is synthetic. So this is a synthetic one, and I love this brush, and I feel like it would be really good to create this oval shapes. So let's do that oval brush, and then just a detail brush. I don't quite like this one, but let's do maybe this one, although this one's particularly for watercolor, so maybe not this one, but this one. I'm just gonna use this. It's a synthetic brush. It's a little bit kind of all over the place, but we're just gonna use that. We're gonna see how that goes. All right, so let's just go ahead and put the colors down, and I'm just using a, oh, this is so hard, whatchamacallit, plate from the kitchen. And if I ever get this open, there, we can put it on the plate. Oh, I haven't used these in a long time, so that's why I guess this is happening. All right, so we're just gonna do a little bit on the plate right here on this side. I mean, that's way too much. I'm not gonna paint that many tulips. And we can do orange, we can do yellow, we can do purple. I don't really know why they make the lids of this like with these ridges, where it's like it really hurts my fingers. I don't understand. All right, so again, I don't know why I'm pulling out so much paint. Like, I'm not going to need that much paint. Okay, now blue. There you go. So this is gonna be super quick tutorial because I like to keep my tutorials really simple. See, it should be like this. These people, I swear. Just in case, I don't know if I'm going to use that. All right, so let's get this thing out of here. And yeah, it's square, so I don't really care in which side I paint. So let's just get started here. So I just have my water. So acrylic doesn't really need that much water. All right, so that's one petal, I guess. Let's add a little bit of red on the second one. All right, I love it. Okay, so now let's do an orange one. Let's do one here on the side. Maybe let's do another one and then another one, maybe. One that it's a little bit more red. Just a little bit more water. Tiny bit of white. Okay. I like it. I don't know if I want to do a purple one. Let's see. With a little bit of white. Nice. All right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and do the petals. So for that, obviously we need green. Let's just mix it here on this side. So now I'm going to add a little bit more blue to give the green a little bit more depth. Like make it a darker kind of blue. To add a few kind of details. Just a little bit. I feel like I'm going to add just a little bit of white for highlights on the leaves because I feel like it will look really cute. Just kind of like that. Just a few little dots that I like to add sometimes at the end of my highlights. Oh, I got some yellow on me and on my table. It's all right. Okay. I believe we are done, and that is a 15-minute little tutorial. I am going to put it in my little frame very carefully. Absolutely beautiful. All right, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and let me know if you guys want to see any more content, different kind of content in my channel. Don't forget, if you learned anything from the video, don't forget to give it a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.